Assalamualaikum, mute yourself. Who is Ramin? Assalamualaikum, students. It's our library class and you are all late today. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today is our first day of the Exploring Library class. I hope you will enjoy it. There are many digital and electronic libraries where there are e-books and electronic books for your reading. As you are in the summer holidays and you have a lot of the time to enhance your vocabulary and also to improve your English, you all need to have a lot of the study. There are many digital libraries you can visit nowadays as there is lockdown and you all are in your homes during the lockdown. So you can enjoy these digital libraries. I will show you a visit today into our digital library. It is a Gutenberg library. It is a very big WordPress. I visited many digital libraries on the internet. There are Amazon and many others, but all they demand for the price. When you will pay the money, then they will give you authority to download the book or to purchase the book. This library is only on the pages of the internet. Okay, there is a question from the chat room about this library. One boy is asking me where it is located. I will show you that how you can visit this library while you are at home and you cannot go to your school. You have not approached to any library for the visit due to the lockdown. Then you have this library, Gutenberg library. It is very interesting for your visit and you have get every book without price. Okay, here in this library in the Gutenberg WordPress, you can search any book and you can download this book. You can read it online without any price. Okay, I will show you how you can reach it. Okay, students, first of all see that This is the link, okay? You have to write, okay, I will show you that you have to write www.gutenberg.org, okay? So this is the link, www.gutenberg.org, organization, Gutenberg organization, then enter it. You will get this page. मैं आपको इधर खोल के दिखाती हूँ, यहाँ देखें आप, www.gutenberg, okay. So it is this library, okay? You can say that free ebooks. Here is the big head, that free ebooks, mean electronic books. You can read these books. Here is the option for the book search. If you want to search any book, then you can write here, okay? Then there is book categories. यहाँ पे categories देखें जरा, आ जाती हैं. Animal books हैं, and you will find the books in the books are in different languages. You need to download and read the English books, okay? So from A to Z alphabet, you can find every words book, okay? From A, there are animals related book. They have further categories. अब animals पे आप जाएंगे तो आपको इतनी सारी books मिलती हैं. Animal world bookshelf है for about birds. Animal world bookshelf about insects, about mammals, about reptiles, and about trapping, okay? Then go back. Then there is books from the C, books from the E, education bookshelf. This is education bookshelf. You can see that E from education, you have further categories. If you click on this link, you have many books related to the education. A catalog of play equipment hunt. This is history about the familiar things, and this is Monstry's own handbook. So there are many books, okay, related to your education. And then there is also music bookshelf. There is language and literature. If you go to the language and literature, you have this bookshelf. Then German language bookshelf, then language education bookshelf, and then the bookshelf, and then there are also plays, okay? If you want to see a book, then you can see that, for example, it is a language. No, we will go on the language education bookshelf. If you click this, then you have this page to open. There are contents related to the page search, okay? Then there is generally how can you read the book, okay? There are different links of this book, William Savage, and there is Sherwin Godey, and there is Samuel Johnson. These are the writers. You can read books related to your interest, okay? Now the question is how you can read a book, okay? There is a bookshelf category, okay? This is the one I already shows you, and I selected one book for you. It is the Alice's Adventure in the Wonderland, okay? This is also, if you search, you can write here the name of the book, and animated books or any storybook you want to read, you can write here the name and search the book. In the same way, I searched this book, and this is the Alice in the Wonderland, and how you can read this book online through this Gutenberg library, okay? This is the book which images, reading online in this click, okay? In this way, all book will be open here before you with the pages, with the picture. This is a poem about the poem, about the book, and there are the contacts. These are all the chapters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chapters are here. And the first chapter has the 1 page. Second chapter, first is Down the Rabbit Hole. The Pool of the Tears, 13 pages. Next chapter has the 24 pages. And there is the list of the plants. The garden is very fascinating in this story. So the list of the plates there is, and there is also some other things. Chapter 1, and it there is, in fact, this is a story of a girl Alice. This is a beautiful adventurous story in the Wonderland. It is written by the Lewis Carroll, who is a very famous writer and is also popular due to its fantasy writing. And this book, Adventure uh, of Alice in the Wonderland, it has 42 illustrations by the John Tunnell also. And it get its virtual digital edition in November 2020, and it is really a well masterpiece of literature and really a very classic book of for the all ages. And it was the real volume by the Lewis Carroll was published in 1865 in Victorian age. That was the age. Victorian age was the age when there was the time of the medical period, when the doctors believe that there is really a link between the dreams and the reality, and people have some link between and the adulthood. Okay, so this is very interesting story. It gives you a lot of many imaginations. It will enhance your imagination powers. Alice in Wonderland is a children's novel. In fact, the main character is a young girl named Alice who chases a rabbit down its hole. So the first chapter is about the rabbit in the hole. You can see this picture. First chapter is about the rabbit in the hole. So in the first chapter, she faces the rabbit, and the rabbit then leads to into the paths of the Wonderland. And in every incident, every chapter, the girl faces a lot of the adventures, lot of the wonders, and she faces it dearly, and also she remain into the horrified condition. And there are a lot of the riddles also for the children to solve, because and in every step, and every character and every animated character in the story gives a riddle to solve. So it improves interest for furthermore study. After the second chapter, then third, fourth, every chapter gives us a riddles. When you will read this book, you will find yourself indulge and involve and absorb into the pages of the book. You can say that the whole world and whole the powerful imaginations is under these pages. Okay, in these pages. So it gives a picture of the wonderland, a beautiful, fantastic wonderland. The girl wanders about the land in search of a way home and encounters a series of the lot of the characters. All the characters are very strange characters. Okay, I can give you a short description of the characters. Alice, the 7 years old protagonist girl, the main character of the story, who lost into the wonderland and faces the challenges. She is the main character. She have all the challenges given by her, given by all of the characters to her. Then there is other characters, the white rabbit, and then there is queen of the hearts. Queen of the hearts is the ruler of the wonderland. Okay, and white rabbit leads the girl. And then there is the king of the hearts. uh, he is the co-ruler of the wonderland, and he is an unlikable personality. Then there is Cheshire cat. This is a grinning cat, and that cat explains the wonderland's madness to Alice. This cat tells Alice that how there is insanity and madness in the wonderland. Then there is the duchess character. Duchess is cousin of the queen, and she is an ugly lady. Okay, ugly character. And at first she has very hatred towards Alice. Later she becomes polite to her. Then there is caterpillar character. It is very interesting character. Caterpillar is sits on a mushroom, drinks hookah, and treats Alice with contempt. This is very interesting. He tells the uh, girl Alice that to eat mushroom you will grow, to eat cake you will small. There are many riddles. There are many adventures. The girl, when enters into the wonderland, she finds different kinds of eating things, plants, mushrooms, keys, and there are questions for him. Every animated character guide him to, if you will eat the cake, then she can grow tall. If she will eat the mushroom, she can shrink again. So there are many ups and downs in the character of the girl. And then there is the mad hatter. He is the person who enjoys the tea time, okay? And he always sits on the tea time. And tea time is a very big and embellished vocabulary I got there. It always, the tea table is presented in the garden in front of the house. It is really a very, and the garden is very beautiful and fascinating. If you will read the book, you will, and the vocabulary and the descriptive words and the illustrations you will find on the pages, it will really will catch your attention towards the reading. You will find yourself as you are Alice, as you are the character, main character, and you are facing the same adventures the girl faced in the story. Then there are some other characters: March Hare, Dormouse, Gryphon, Mock Turtle, okay? And Alice's sister. Alice's sister is the only character with whom the Alice has the interaction, ओके यही है जिस पे वो ट्रस्ट कर सकती है. द नेव ऑफ हार्ट्स है यहाँ पे, फिर माउस है, डोडो है, डक एंड द लोरी एंड द ईगलेट है. देन देर इज कुक है, द कुक मेड द मील फॉर द queen. Okay, then there is pigeon. Then there is 2, 5 and 7. 2, 5 and 7 is about the playing cards. These are the characters always playing cards in the garden, but they are very fearful to the queen. Then there is Bill character. Bill is a lizard. It is a very horrible lizard. Then there is a frog footman. Footman character. It is a frog and he is the servant of the queen. And in the frog, in the footman's character, there is nothing sensible. In fact, all these 22 characters in the novel, they all are senseless character, insane characters. They have nothing wisdom in them. So it shows that how childs are very pure and innocent in the childhood. All these characters in fact represent the childhood and the world of the fantasy, that children are very pure and the innocent. Students, one thing that I find very interesting in the novel, you will also find it while you will read. This is that this it gives us a lot of the polished vocabulary. There are many words as the gryphon. It is used for the winged monster, okay, which had a head of the eagle and body of a lion. Then the dormouse. Dormouse means a small furry-tailed monster. A mad tea party. Mad tea party is a big vocabulary. It is a table set under a tree in front of a house. Uglify mean make ugly. Hatter means someone who sells and makes hat. Caterpillar means a large track vehicle. ये एक ट्रैवल करता है, ये उसको अपने ऊपर बिठाता है, ट्रैवल करता है, ठीक है, गाइड करता है. Kid glove has soft gloves made by the leather. These are called the kid gloves. So these beautiful words and these Polish vocabulary, you can use them after reading. You have to store these words into your mind. While reading, you can underline these words and then write on your diary. In this way, you can make your own dictionary. You can make your own vocabulary guide and then use these words in your creative writing compositions. Then there is turtle for the reptiles, borrowful for the large quantity, okay? So these are the beautiful and embellished vocabulary words. There are many more. I cannot tell you in a short time. When you will read the novel, I suggest you that you should have all these. You should write all these words into a diary and make your own vocabulary. The book is really very interesting and it gives you a a trip. We can say that it is a trip to a wonderland. Nowadays in the lockdown, as you cannot go to anywhere, you cannot go to visit any place, so you can enjoy this book by as a visit. You can visit a wonderland by reading this book. You will feel yourself as you are as you are also a character of this story, of this novel, okay? The story is in fact many in fact best stories of the world. It is a best story for the children. It is crazy story and you will definitely enjoy the characters. And there is also many skills used by the writer. When you will read the novel, you will find many skills by the Lewis, as the mathematical background in the novel, linguistic skills, as embellished vocabulary. There is also mixed riddles, a lot of the riddles, as I told you before. There is also double line meaning of the story. The story also gives you a moral lesson. It gives you a moral lesson, not only a fantasy animated story, but it will give you a moral lesson. Okay? How? In fact, the entire time Alice was in Wonderland, the girl is in the Wonderland. She wanted to find a way to home. It is a moral lesson that when people fall down a hole, whether it's drugs, depression, or any other burden and problems, it's easy to stay there, but they should follow Alice's lead and begin searching for a way out of the hole instead of being content with being there. You can say that wandering doesn't mean you are lost. वॉन्डरिंग इधर उधर घूमने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप सब कुछ खो चुके हो, नहीं. Existence is a lifetime of adventure. Taking risks can lead to, if you will face the risk, you will lead to a wonderful adventures. So I will tell you that how you will read this book online. This is the link. You can copy paste it, and this is the library, Gutenberg WordPress. This is the only library that provides you a plenty of the books for the online reading and also for the download. I also downloaded one book here. Same book I downloaded here for my pages. For my reading, you can say that this is the okay. But I will suggest you that you should write it online. Okay, go to the Gutenberg library, then you can there are bookshelves, there are browse catalog, main page, and there is many children bookshelf, classic bookshelves, then related to your study also, biochemistry, all kinds of history books, war bookshelf, technology bookshelf, science bookshelves. Then there is adventure bookshelf, African bookshelves, Harper's New York Monthly magazines. There are also monthly magazines. Okay, illustration books है, Indian books है, Islamic books है, Italian animals, wild books, और mammals की, insects की, birds की, बहुत सारी हैं. ठीक है, ये सारी बुक्स जो है ना आपको यहाँ से मिलेंगी. और इसी तरह मैंने सर्च करके ये सिलेक्ट की है, और ये लिंक भी आप कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. Alice in the Wonderland. Some novels you will find a lot of the books by the Alice, by the same character. Alice in the Wonderland, Adventures of the in the Wonderland by Alice. There are many titles you can read of your choice. This is published in 1998, and it is very. It has the colorful pages. Chapter 1. Okay, read it. This is the picture. This is a whole. It is the whole. It is the white rabbit. Okay, then there is chapter 2, Pool of the Tears. It is about the pool of the tears. When the girl Alice weeps, she don't find the way to go home, to go back, so she started to weep, and her tears by her tears there made a tool. Okay, पूरा जो है ना वहाँ पे एक पूल बन जाता है, एक पूल बन जाता है उसके टीयर्स के साथ वहाँ पे. और वो उस पूल, इतना बड़ा पूल बन जाता है, उसके आंसू इतने इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं. फिर वहां पे उसको वो मिलता है, एक और करेक्टर मिलता है बाद में, वो उसको गाइड करता है. ये देखें, द पूल ऑफ टीयर्स ये है जिसमें वो डूब गई है. इस पूल से फिर वो वंडरलैंड के गार्डन में जाना चाहेगी. ठीक है, उसके बाद देखें चैप्टर 3 में है, यहाँ पे और एनिमेटेड करेक्टर्स हैं, कितने सारे गार्डन में वो बैठी है जो उसको गाइड कर रहे हैं. ये जब आप इसकी स्टोरी को पढ़ोगे, इन करेक्टर्स की केमिस्ट्री को पढ़ोगे, तो आपको बहुत ही इंजॉय करोगे. आई सजेस्ट you should read this book in your summer time, in your summer holidays. This picture and vocabulary of words, and also there is poetry, beautiful poetry. Okay, it will give you A big power to your imaginations. You will get a lot of the knowledge from this. You will get many moral lessons in each of the adventure, and there are many riddles. It will make you curious to solve these riddles, to give the answers. And really, this is a book that you will never ever want to get rid of get rid of it. If you will start it at once, it will definitely will be necessary for you to finish it. इतना आपको इंटरेस्ट लगेगा, आपको ऐसे ही लगेगा कि जैसे आप विजिट कर रहे हो इस वंडरलैंड में। और मैं आपको ये दिखाऊं कि इसके इतनी ये फेमस बुक है कि उसके ऊपर आप देखें कितनी ड्राइंग बनाई गई है, कितनी पिक्चर्स बनाई गई हैं, इस पे मूवीज बनी है, कार्टून्स बने हैं। अब आप देखें, कुछ मैं आपको फेमस पिक्चर्स कैरेक्टर की दिखाती हूँ कि कितना ड्रा किया गया। World's famous painters, they draw these Wonderland pictures. Alice in the Wonderland. This is the garden of the Wonderland with the beautiful flowers, and she is Alice. Then there is other pictures. Okay, you can say these are drawn by the painters. Some are drawn by and some are painted. This is the all. This is the tea time party. Okay. So she is the queen. There are some other drawings. You can say that how amazing these pictures are. And this shows that how beautiful and famous is this book. इतनी फेमस हुई है कि इसके ऊपर पूरी दुनिया के जो पेंटर्स हैं उन्होंने पेंटिंग्स बनाई हैं, कार्टून्स हैं, मूवीज हैं। ये आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से वंडरलैंड्स में इतने इतने वंडर्स मिलते हैं, इतने इतने एडवेंचर्स होते हैं। अ बॉय और गर्ल, अ स्टूडेंट who wants to faces the adventure, who likes the adventurous life, it is really a masterpiece for him. So these are the pictures. These are the adventures. Okay. So this is a very beautiful picture in the last scenes of the garden. Okay. I hope you will like it very much. Any question you have in your mind, students, related to the Gutenberg library and book? I will suggest to you to read this book. It will improve your vocabulary. It will improve your writing skill. It will give you a moral lesson. Okay. You can raise hand if you have any question. You are asking in the you are asking in that chat that it is the homework. No, it is not homework, students. It is only for your interest, for your study skill. You can improve your study skills by this writing as you are sitting idle in the summer holidays. So this book is really is very interesting for you. Not only this book, i I give you a visit of the library here. Okay, this is the link. Okay, this is the link. You can find every kind of book from there. If you want to read a grammar book, if you want to read a novel, if you want to read a story, and if you want to read any medical book, एनिमेटेड बुक, कुछ भी हो आपको यहाँ से मिलेगा। ये ऐसी साइट है, ये ऐसी डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी है जो आपको मिलियंस बुक प्रोवाइड करती है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बुक्स आप इनको देख सकते हैं, आप इनको एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। Any question you have in your mind related to the library? Yes. If you want, I can
Mrs.
show.
Should I say something about it?
Yes.
Mrs.
Miss Humera.
I'm Humera Asif. Should I say something about? Yes, Miss Uzma.
Yes, you can speak.
Beta, Miss Uzma. Okay, Miss Uzma. Beta, Miss Uzma and me, we both are given the duty, assigned the duty that we will give you some information regarding library, exploring the library. It is very important period for you, as you know that reading book enhances your vocabulary as well as your imagination, ideas, creativity. You can get many ideas from the stories. Book reading gives you many different ways to write anything. So exploring library, though it is there are only 2 periods in a week, but it is very important for you to attend these periods, because it will give you different ways to understand, and how definitely we both will tell you about the different interesting stories, that how you can get through these stories and what type of the messages are there, how you can get different ideas. Today the topic was Alice in the Wonderland. Alice is the girl, and you know that the adventure, this is an adventurous story. It is very interesting story, and the Wonderland means, the word Wonderland itself shows that she is facing a different world from the world that we are living in. So it is a story about the struggle of a child who comes out of a confused world. Alice also has to face changes in her body and her feelings during those fluctuations. These are all descriptions, very good description has been given. She faces series of puzzles, and how a person should face those puzzles or riddles in the life. In actual, there is the message, the theme of the story is this, that how a small child faces difficulties in her life, and she faces the problems, and how she faces those difficulties in a mature way. So there are not very clear solutions about the adventures of her life, but it represents that life is also like a puzzle or adventure. That is, life is also like a riddle, and we have to face those riddles. Sometimes we get frustrated facing those difficulties, and sometimes we come to an end successfully. So Lewis Carroll, the writer, has shown different ways through this story, and especially it has been described that in everyday life, when we get bored, sometimes we like to come out of that boredom, and the same situation has been shown, that how Alice goes to a strange world, and there are different situations that she faces. Actually, beta, exploring the library is very important for you. I have observed in my life, in teaching life, that those students who have addiction of reading books, or those who are used to read any book in routine, the way to write any creativity, the way to express their ideas is quite different from other students who are not very much interested in such type of activities. I'm sure that just in 2 periods in a week, definitely you will find a new book, new ideas, and you will try to read them. We will have to give you brief story, just introduction and the main theme or the main things, like this, that Ms. Usma has told you that there are different chapters of Alice in the Wonderland, there are different adventures. It is not possible for us to explain each and every adventure of the girl, but at least a brief story or brief idea has been given to you. Definitely, inshallah, I hope that you will try to read out during these summer vacations, and you will try to read this, and definitely there are many things you can explore, new vocabulary words, new ideas, the way to describe anything, the feelings, especially when she was confused, when she was disturbed, or whenever she was very feeling very difficulty in her life. All these things are described in a beautiful way, and you can find that how you can write the same feelings in your creativities. It will help you in your studies as well. It will help you to describe anything in the best way, in an effective way. So it was the Alice in the Wonderland, and there are different chapters that has been described. I'm sure that you will try to read those all stories. Though there are many days to read them, you have sufficient time to read these stories. So try to read, and it would be very good if you will give any opinion about these books, and if you have any idea or you want to give the feedback about it. Ms. Usma, if any other thing you want to explain to these
Yes, there is also an option in the Gutenberg library for about the movie books. Okay, if anyone students can't want to see movie books, these are also available here. And one thing is important, then this digital library is free of cost for you. Okay, you can read books free without pay any money. So here are the movie books. Okay, they show you the movie with the reading of the pages. You can also enjoy these books. So when you will explore that library, the Gutenberg library, it will give you millions of the books on every and each topic, and it will really very beneficial for you, useful for you. And I hope that you will explore that library. Then give us comment, and also find very interesting books for you related to your study, and also for enjoyment. And I also want you to uh, collect vocabulary words from this novel Alice in the Wonderland and make your own diary of vocabulary. Okay, and also get the moral lessons and make a list of the moral lessons. If you get any from this, I think these quotations and these polished vocabulary, this will definitely help you in your further writing tasks. Yes, Miss Humera. I think she left.
Uh,
Yes.
Beta, actually, the message has been given by Miss Uzma and me, and the purpose of this, all these arrangements and the exploring the library is this: that when you, inshallah, join the classes, again, there should be definitely a prominent change or the difference in your creativities. These are ideal days for you to enhance your vocabulary, to extend your ideas, and reading books. So do not waste the time and try to read out these books, whatever we are suggesting to you. Or if you have any other book in your mind, or you want to read any other book, definitely you can share your ideas with us. You can tell us that these books we have read during these days and we want to discuss them, or you can tell your ideas as well. It was the first introduction about the Alice in the Wonderland. When you will read these all chapters of the book, then try to give the feedback. Okay, that how do you feel after reading? Actually, the book is about a child, and definitely there is imaginary world. Strong devices has been used, and it will help you, not only help you to find different ideas and vocabulary, but you will also feel yourself in the world of amusement. Why? Because there are such strategies, such devices has been used that put you in the world of imagination. You will feel yourself definitely, as Ms. Usma has said, that you will definitely feel yourself as the part of the story. Very interesting story. Once when I started to read it, definitely you believe that I started to read it, and it was really very interesting. And I was trying to find the next chapter and next chapter, and to explore the next what is going to happen the next. So this is very good way
Yes.
to enhance your knowledge as well
Okay,
about
Miss
different
Humera.
things. It will
Excuse me, Miss
give.
Humera. Tell them about this page I searched. There are all the illustrations of this book, Alice in the Wonderland. They can select the book
Mm,
of their own choice for the reading, written by the different authors. This shows that how much this book is popular.
mm.
Okay.